In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides offline. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or school, sometimes you need the flexibility to work without an internet connection. Let's explore how you can set up your Google Slides to work offline efficiently. First, navigate to Google Slides by opening your web browser and typing in Google Slides or going directly to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account details. Having an active Google account login is essential as it gives you access to all your files stored in Google Drive and allows you to save your work offline. Once signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your active presentations and start new ones. You have the option to start a blank presentation from scratch or choose from ready-made templates. Templates are useful if you want to save time formatting your slides, as they come with preset designs. With your new or existing presentation open, you'll find all your familiar slide editing options. To make this presentation available offline, click on the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Make Available Offline. This feature ensures that your work will be accessible even without an internet connection. It's a good idea to make sure the presentation you're working on can be accessed offline, especially if you anticipate connectivity issues. In some cases, you might be prompted to install an extension called Google Docs Offline. This extension is crucial as it enables offline mode for Google Slides, Docs, and Sheets. If prompted, follow the instructions to install it. Once the extension is installed, you'll be able to open, edit, and save your presentations even when your device is offline. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up Google Slides for offline use. This feature is particularly useful when working in environments with unreliable internet or while traveling. Always double check that your offline settings are enabled before disconnecting so you're not caught off guard. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps optimize your productivity with Google Slides, and happy presenting.